Hey Ravi, so can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you very much for the opportunity. My name is Rahul Kumar, and I have been working since last 5 years for Communication Technology Solution, and I have worked as a Snowflake data engineer, where I was handling the multiple projects in banking and financial for a banking and financial client. So there, I was handling the governance, risk, and compliance related project where we are receiving the data from multiple data source of the regulatory and compliance related data source. Okay, and all those data being ingested to our data lake, and after that we are pushing into uh, uh, Snowflake warehouse, and after that I was implementing the models and all using DBT cloud, and after that I was pushing this data into MART model, where we are creating the aggregation as well as business ready data, and yeah, so it's a day-to-day task which I was doing here.
Okay. So give me an example of a problem that you have solved, be it in Snowflake or be it in DBT.
So, so problem we are usually receiving the cost inflated sometime due to some like our account mismanagement or something, like mm, we have not optimized our query properly sometime. Okay, so in that case we are just I have handled I have used the techniques like clustering key for a particular columns or attributes, where we can sort out the data, we can reduce the data, and also I have used the proper monitoring techniques. So I have I have about vigilant in like our warehouses and resource uses. Huh? Till the power went up. Oh, so so you can you please join through the Wi-Fi now when you go to mobile? Tell me then, wait, we will switch on the Wi-Fi, tell me Wi-Fi. When the power gone, I'm connecting with my mobile, say like this. Then,
Yeah, I think your video got stuck.
yeah, it's sorry for the interruption. My power, your power cut off, so the Wi-Fi
Okay,
went off.
okay,
So I connected through mobile network. Okay,
okay, okay.
okay.
Yeah, so yeah, you were discussing about the problem that you faced.
Yeah, so yeah, I have many times our cost credit goes high due to some mismanagement in we don't properly optimize our query as per our business need. Like sometimes we are receiving huge amount of data.
Yeah, sorry, Piyush, for the interruption. You pulled me in the call itself.
Yeah. Basically, Rahul got dropped off, so I thought, I'll just let you know. But now he's back. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So it was power cut only, so that's what, yeah, I can tell you. So for that time, if we are receiving huge amount of data from source and all sometimes, so our I have applied the sometime clustering and all on proper attribute, okay, so that I was able to reduce the cost, as well as I was regularly vigilant to the query profile, as well as in monitoring side, like how our compute resources utilizing our cost and all. So that thing I have implemented. And also sometime I found unnecessary full table scan and expensive join in intermediate models, and also I have then converted this model into incremental materialization using update timestamp logic.
Okay. Okay. Does Snowflake has this thing primary key and foreign keys?
No, it has only clustering key.
Okay. And how do you implement data quality checks?
So data quality checks we are implementing in our DBT test model, okay, and also we are implementing data quality check on every stage, like on source, as well as our raw layer, as well as at every layer, like some basic check need to do, like when raw layer we are checking is there proper freshness and all. At our stage layer we are checking like our duplicacy, as well as column mismatch and all. So that thing at every level, it's best practice to do the quality checks. So in next layer or data lineage strategy will be go better.
Okay. Okay. So in your resume, you have mentioned that you have used Python, right?
Yes, yeah.
What is your comfort level with Python and SQL?
SQL I am quite good. I can implement complex level analytics for any project. Okay. And SQL Python, where I can create DAX and all. I can use transformation logic, as well as using PySpark module and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, what are the different data structures in Python?
So Python we are having string, list, a dictionary, tuple.
What is the difference between a tuple and a dictionary?
So dictionary is a key pair, key value pair, and tuple is a immutable collection of it's a ordered collection like elements and all.
Okay. What are comprehensions in Python?
Sorry.
Comprehension.
Okay, so we are having list comprehension, dictionary comprehension. So we can formulate like in one row our data structure.
Okay. What are lambda functions?
Lambda function is an anonymous function where we are applying the logic in single table when we are writing the lambda and all, and after that colon and we are whatever our criteria is there, we are writing the expression or whatever logic need to write.
Okay. Okay. So suppose
And it is covered in a square bracket.
So, suppose you have, let's say, some complex operation to be done, okay, and I want to use comprehension. So you want to do some complex operation on a list, and I want to use comprehensions for the instead of for loop, I want to use comprehension. Okay.
Yeah.
So how would you implement this? You have to, based on the elements, you have to basically transform that list into something. Yeah.
So if for loop and all in comprehension we are just we just provide the elements, okay, and where we can use for loop, and then the structure of this for loop in comprehension is like we will use for loop first, then we will provide the whatever the comprehension we have, whether it's a list or yeah.
Okay. Okay, so SQL you said you are good. Okay, so I'll share my screen, and I have a couple of SQL related questions, and you just have to answer those questions.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the first question, and you have to tell me what would be the output.
Oh, here it is showing. Okay, 1 second. I'm receiving the. So. Okay. So I am having order ID and customer ID in order table and payment. That is fine. So our query is customer ID count. So it will counting the all customer count, like where it will be 3 because star it will it is count duplicates and all. That's fine. I'm joining the table with the help of customer on customer ID. That's fine, and we are grouping here. So out. Sure. I'm not able to. What is the out? See the question. Like,
yeah. What will you do?
What is the?
What is the output? That's it.
Okay.
That's the question. Yeah. You have to tell me the output.
Okay. Let me say. Can I use so output will be like just I have joined the customer. So can I use pen paper or something to solve it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. So where that's fine. So I have all the tables here. Order ID, payment ID, and customer ID. So I will it's a simple join, so it will filter the common data, Okay. So we are having common data like 101. Okay. So 101, 101 to column, and order ID will be 1, 2, and payment ID would be 10 and 11. So the count will be so we are selecting and we are grouping it. So 1, customer ID. So we will be 1, 10, 101 and 4. Count will be 4. 101 and count will be 4.
Okay, so this is the next question.
Okay, fine. So the thing is employee ID. That's fine. Salary, that is 1,000, and this count star on employee where salary not equal to 2,000. So the count is, so I guess there should be one, two reports where it's not there. Now it will count down. So output will be 3.
Okay. Okay, this next question.
Okay. So sales product, so that is fine. So what we are doing, like we are using the count on product ID, so as total, so it will left the left the null p1 p2. So count will be like product, if like with the product ID, like first product there will be the 2 product, and the second product there will be the count 1. That's total. So distinct count, yeah. So in second, distinct count will be 1, and like for that total count will be 2.
Okay, so this is the next question.
Okay. So we have like customer ID name, and order ID. We have order ID and customer ID. Order ID and customer ID. So what we are doing here? We are doing left join on order table. So it will only fetch the it will only fetch the the final table would be like ID, name, order ID, and customer name. So the output, okay, so that is fine. So this is the table. So the ID 1 will be 2. Okay, not order ID 1, so it is not null. So for ID 1 there will be 2 order count, and order ID 2 there will be 1 count.
Okay. Okay, so this is the last question.
Okay, yes, so thank you. So we have like customers, so customer ID, that's fine. And what we are doing here, we are just using the CTE, where we are selecting the only distinct customer. So distinct customer count is 3. Okay, that's fine. So next, what we are doing, so we are again selecting the customer ID only. From customer, where customer is not in, okay, select all customers. So not in where customer ID is not in that. Okay, what about customer ID? So so that is fine. So total the total count would be 4.
Okay.
Final output, yeah.
Okay, fine. So yeah, so the reason for this test was basically the before the final selection there will be a client interview, and client is basically assessing the candidate based on the
SQL.
similar sequels. So
Strong SQL skill, right?
yeah, strong SQL skills.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, so I did my assessment, and I'll share my feedback to the HR, and somebody will get back to you.
So thank you very much for your valuable time, and I am also getting offer letter in recent days. Okay, so please ask
Fine.
them if it is like I am relevant to them. Okay, so do the process fast if it is possible. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you very
okay.
much, Piyush.
All right.
అయిపోతుంది